What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Prince's World. We're back on this thing, or should I say, we're not back on this thing. Because guess what? We got that poultry lug off. Now, don't ask me how I did it, because I didn't do it. So as far as we know, that vehicle's done. The radio's already been replaced. All is good. But we're doing something else today. That's right. We're going to go pick up that Jeep. Previously off camera, I decided with the transmission. I wanted to make sure. There's a recall on the Jeep for programming on the TCM, PCM, and over the third computer is on that transmission is. So I wanted to make sure. So I wanted to go get a second opinion. They told me internal damage on the transmission. So today, we're gonna go pick it up from wherever we left it and find out. Also, I'm gonna call Salisbury and see if they can give me a new transmission. So, let's head out. All right, we made it. There she is. Turn around. Check out the stuff they got here. Bessie. They said this was a 57, right?
Huh?
You said that this was a 57, huh?
Yeah.
They got old school right here, back from straight up old school.
So it's medium.
Now this is YouTube, man.
Medium.
Now this is YouTube, man.
Man.
Come on, tell me what you did to it. Tell us what you did to it.
Oh, now you cut that.
People get so secretive, man.
No, it ain't about all that, but you know, yeah, just give it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Come on, what do you say, Had?
Yeah, it needs to get the chain and stuff inside of the transmission. It's what it is worn out. And what it's doing is when you put it in drive, what it's doing is dragging over the gears on the on the inside. That's what makes it pull.
All right.
Right.
Heard the man. You gotta replace that transmission.
Gotta replace transmission.
Let's see if Salisbury will do it for free. All right, everybody, we got the vehicle loaded up. It's secure and going nowhere. And we'll catch you guys back at the shop. So, everybody, we had ourselves a little mishap on the road. So I had to quickly pull over to, let's see, Brothers Tire Shop. See if they can give me a new one of these. From what I've heard, they seem like they got the tire. So after a short while, we should be back on the road. So this is our new tire right here. I would have gone for one with better tread, but you know, money doesn't grow on trees. Anyway, it looks good. I don't see any cracks in it. It should be good to go. How many tires come in like this for you? How many tires come in like this?
That one is good, the yellow.
Yeah.
Front, no.
Be surprised that back one actually has about 3 plugs in it. Yep, getting that new tire. And we're back on the road. And there goes our new tire. This one will be rubbing. That's ample space up in that well. All right, let's get back on the road. And so here we are back at the shop. And no, I have not called Salisbury yet. And there's a reason why. First off, I want to tell you guys what happened with the tire on my trailer. So as you can see, the tire literally exploded outwards. Lucky for me, I didn't get hurt. But this is literally the back of the tire. The part that faces the wheel well. From what I can see, like, it was rubbing on the inside. Because it's been rubbing so long, it actually rubbed through. And at that point, the tire can no longer go. This was a good tire. It was a good tire until kaplooey. And as you can see, with all the rubber splashing on the wheel, that is still rubbing. So getting this tire replaced was not, let's say, all be all for this repair. So what I'm gonna have to do is get this backsplash right here, push back in and weld it back to the bed. You can see all that burning rubber. You see it's actually touching. And that's my check. I'm not gonna be spending so much money on used tires. But anyway, back to what's more important. So unfortunately, the vehicle has no open recalls. Yep, no recalls. Just my luck. But all's not hopeless, all's not bad. Because you wanna know why? I found a transmission for it for over $300. Yep, I did it. Over $300. I did it. Well, that's not to say I actually did it just yet. The vehicle that is on came in with electrical problems. So, there's to say that it could be good. And I have to order it from another state. So, the transmission itself could be $300. But, the shipping could bump it up to about $600, $700, $800. We have yet to find out. But now that I know what to do, there's not one of the computers or anything like that, I can do what I need to do to get this vehicle back on the road. So, let's hop to it. Alright, you see that? Here's a transmission for a 2008 Jeep Patriot. I found that. Unfortunately, this is not the same transmission that I had found recently. I had just stumbled upon this one that was all priced at $350. It's at McKee Auto Parts Inc. in Ohio. Unfortunately, I can't call him right now because it's too late to ask some questions. This is probably the same transmission, probably not. The list did change on me. I know you guys see this one that's rated for $150. So we gotta read here. Core for parts only. So that's probably not an entire transmission right there. But with this one, we just have to wait and see. These Jeep Patriots, their transmissions can be like difficult to find. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the morning so I can give these guys a call. It is late and I gotta go home. So everybody, we're back at the shop. It is the next day. And no, I have not called McKee's. I'll get to that later, but hold on. I got something else. That's right, it's a mass airflow sensor for that F-150 I showed you guys in previous videos. The reason being I had to get a new sensor because the vehicle actually broke down shortly after I repaired it. And it was all because of the mass airflow sensor. So what I did was order a new one from across the state. And luckily got here in 2 days. Thank God. So now, let's jump on that F-150 and install it. Alright everybody, we got the new sensor installed. Now let's see if she likes it. Hold on, give this 2 tries.
You want to do it like 2 days, 3 days, whatever. So they get a little heads up to be prepared for it. But yeah.
Alright, so you guys saw it was already a fail. But am I bumped out? No. Truth be told, when that sensor was ordered, there was a lot of mix-up with that company which I ordered it from. So instead, I had to go buy another one online. So I'm not bummed out because another one's on its way. So until then, let's get back to other matters. So everybody, concerning that F-150 mass airflow sensor, one thing I did not do when taking account was how long the vehicle was sitting up. The thing about those F-150s is that once they sit up for like a long time, the first thing to go out is their mass airflow sensor. And since I didn't think about that when I ordering it or asking questions, I ended up ordering a bad sensor. But like I said, it's not a big deal. I ordered another one before this one showed up, so all's good. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get back on that transmission for that Jeep. I'm already here on the website. I'm already looking at the transmission, still stay the same, $350. And I'm about to call their number. This is the key. You have a transmission for a 2008 Jeep Patriot, automatic, 2.4. Okay, how much for shipping? Yes, shipping to a business. So okay, so 220, so like $570, right? All right, man. I'll call you right back, okay? Yeah, boy! $570 for the whole transmission, shipping included. And on top of that, the shipping knocks out the core. Man, ain't that good? So look at that. We got ourselves a transmission.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so while we're taking care of that transmission situation for the Jeep, we'll not believe what came in. That's right, the mass airflow sensor for the F-150. So now that we got that taken care of in our hands, let's jump on that boy and get things rolling. All right, guys, time for the moment of truth. Sounds good to me. Anyway, tell me what you guys think down in the description below. Like, share, and comment, and if you want this vehicle, I'll put it in the description. Now let's move on to another vehicle. Oh yeah, that Jeep. So everybody, it's the next day. Well, actually a few days later. Let me tell you something. I had to wait a few days for some money to come in to get the transmission. So when I got it, I called up the company. They tell me that the price for shipping had gone up. Whoa! A real punch to the gut right there. Surprised me out of nowhere. But anyway, it is what it is. I cut it, went on. I kept on searching. I found one for $300. I called them up right away. But somebody else had already bought it. First come, first serve. Whatever. Kept on going. I took a chance on one for $400. I was able to talk him down to $350. All was good. I could do that. But the best part is, they tell me that the shipping is only $100. So all in all, it was just $450 for the transmission. And on top of that, they cut the cord charge in half. So all in all, I was paying $493. So now with this transmission, I would have been saving. So you already guessed that it's on its way. It'll be here next week. But for you guys, it's only a moment. This boy just got here and a day early too. So you know, the delivery driver just left. Man, look at him, still here. Probably taking care of some paperwork. But anyway, I am so excited, it finally got here, yes! Whew, and I can't wait to install this. This is gonna be in the next video. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications for when I upload another video. Also, share this with a friend. And, oh yeah, I started an Instagram. I'm gonna put information on whatever happens here before YouTube. So get into that on King's World. Until then, Prince out.